Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Food is God Gift. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and super easy lo mein. It's a stir fry noodles with the chicken and the vegetable. It's simply delicious and very flavorful noodles and is a restaurant style. So let's see what you need to make this delicious noodle. Is a 60% cooked noodle. It's a dry noodle. I use a spaghetti. Slice boneless chicken meat, about half cup. Chop garlic, ginger. Slice onion, about half cup. Choice of vegetables. Today I'm using carrot, cabbage, red onion, green beans. So you can use a sweet peas. Sesame seed is optional. Slice of green onions. So let's see how to prepare the sauce. Please check the description box to find the perfect measurement for this sauce. So I use the dark soy sauce. I'm using about oyster sauce. Soya sauce is a light soya sauce. So please check the description box to find the measurements. So it depends how much noodles and I'm be preparing. So peanut oil. So let's start, friends. So I'm using a pan. It's a stainless steel pan. This is easy wok, like you can use a wok. So before I begin, I just dry roast the sesame seed until you heard that the pop sound is little golden brown kinda. So now it's ready. It's just take about 1 to 2 minutes. So just place in a bowl. I'm now adding in the same pan about 3 tablespoons peanut oil. So peanut oil is give a nice fragrance to the high point of for the frying noodles or fried rice. So I'm starting with the chopped onion, garlic, sliced onion. Give a nice saute. Now we can add the sliced chicken. You can add any meat. You can add a beef, pork, any choice of meat. Even you can add a seafood, shrimp, squid. So you can make a different version, or you don't like, you want to keep it as a vegetarian lo mein, you always can add it. Avoid that meat at all. Now I'm adding the choice of vegetables. So today I have carrots, slice of red peppers, orange pepper, cabbage, green beans, sweet pea. You can add any favorite corn, sweet corn, baby corn, whatever you have the vegetable, you always can add it in this noodles, and kids will without knowingly they can have all the good nutritions of the vegetables. Just give a saute for 3 to 4 minutes until all the juices break down. So the juices itself, it giving all that liquid, and you no need to add any extra liquid to cook this vegetable. Now we can add that soy sauce, that mixture. Please check the description box to find the recipe. Now we can give a nice saute. Smells so good here. And now we can add that toasted sesame oil, about 1 teaspoon. So few splashes, and that's sufficient. This toasted sesame oil give nice fragrance to the our fried noodles. Now I'm just add the 60% cooked noodles. So friends, just mix, and the liquid, the sauce from the vegetable and the soy will cook remaining noodles 40%. So you can cover up after you saute. It helps cook faster. Again, I'm adding about half cup water, so we can having nice soft cooked noodles. Now almost ready. And friends, please keep the medium low flame, so it's not going to burn in the bottom of the pan. Again, please keep the flame in the low, medium, high, so it will help to cook all evenly. So now it's ready, friend. Now I'm just garnish with a sliced green onion and toasted sesame. So now it's complete, and I bet it's so good. The taste will amazing. It's a restaurant style of a lo mein fried noodles. It's so delicious and so yummy. I made a homemade chili sauce. Please check the description box. It's so easy to make at home, and it will go so well with this fried lo mein. I hope you enjoy another recipe from our channel. Please do like, subscribe, click that bell button to get a notification. Thank you.